My age is none of your business. Why do you need to know my age? It's like, morning. Is usually... Oh no, well hopefully you can either get it sorted or... Da 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 da. What's this? What's this? There's chickens in the air. What's this? What's this? There's chickens everywhere. It is 8:53. You hear the plane? And in a minute, she's going to be really unhappy. How are you doing, cutie? Whereabouts in the world are you? Why are you asking all of the questions? I feel as though I'm being interviewed on a dating site. This is YouTube. I'm bathing a chicken. Yeah. You don't... no, cutie. Just no. Yeah. Oh, are you having a massage or does he want your attention? Okay, right. How long have we been in here now? Have we been in here long enough yet? I don't think we have. But, you know, the water's going cold. I'm going to need to give you a top up. That was a big burp. Do you mean what is this hen? This hen is a hen. She's a chicken. Right. Stay. Thanks. Yeah, I need to top it up. Sorry. No, that was not a cue to bugger off. That was me checking what the time was because of this one being in the bath. I'll throw a soggy sponge at you. I'm not, because it'll knock my phone over. It's definitely a chicken. Ew. How's that? My hand's really warm and relaxed. Oh, you sure it's not a rabbit? Hold on, let me just check. No, definitely a chicken. Oh, I love you. I do. I'm gonna get in sneaky chicken hugs. She's so lovely. I love my chicken. Do. Absolutely